Guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon Go hack on iOS and Android in 2025. First I'm going to show you how this Pokemon Go hack looks like. At the end of this video I'm going to show you how to get it. As you can see, I have Pokemon Go joystick. I can walk around the map into any direction. I can tap to walk on any part of the map and I will move there. I can also teleport. I will show you all of that, and I got this Pokemon Go hack on this website right here. You can see it on my phone. I'll put it down below as well so you can see it better. You can use any web browser, Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever you prefer, and on the top of the page is Pokemon Go hack. Just press on it. It says install Pokemon Go Spoofer, teleport, joystick, auto walk, and more. Press on this button, follow all instructions, and you will get Pokemon Go hack on your iOS or Android device in 2025. So one more time, this is the website. Be sure to type it properly so you don't go to the wrong website by mistake. And let me show you how this works. With this Pokemon Go hack, you can actually use joystick and tap to walk around and play Pokemon Go from home without walking, without moving in real life, which can be really useful for all disabled persons, or if you don't have mobile data. If you can go outside, you can still play Pokemon Go. You can even adjust the speed of your movements so you can move faster or slower around the map. You can go to the settings of this Pokemon Go hack and enable all the things you want to use, such as shiny scanner, freeze Pokemons, tap to walk, spoofing, joystick, cooldown options. And I'm going to show one more feature of this Pokemon Go hack, which is called Pokemon Go teleport. All you have to do is to go to the map, and then you can type any place, any city, street, country, wherever you want to go. Press search, hold your thumb on the screen. This menu will pop up. Press teleport, press OK, and in a matter of a couple of seconds you'll be teleported there. Be aware that after you teleport, it can take some time for whole map to load, for weather to be updated, for Pokemon to start appearing and everything else. That's normal. We just teleported from one continent to another, and Pokemon Go teleport option is really useful for all people who lives in small places. You can go to bigger cities, catch more Pokemons, attend bigger events, and this is also a really cool Pokemon Go hack option for all people who lives in small places. So again, this is the website. Check it out. If you want to install Pokemon Go hack, let me know in the comments how it went. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and smash the notification bell button so you will not miss future updates and episodes about how to get Pokemon Go hack, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching and goodbye.